Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Film Camera Bundle, specifically in that absolutely charming pastel blue. This isn't just a camera, it's an invitation to capture and share memories in a tangible, nostalgic way, perfect for anyone who appreciates instant gratification in their photography. The Instax Mini 12 itself is a marvel of simplicity and delightful design. Its rounded, bubbly aesthetic in pastel blue makes it incredibly appealing, feeling less like a gadget and more like a fun accessory. Operation is straightforward. A simple twist of the lens turns it on, and its automatic exposure feature takes the guesswork out of lighting, ensuring bright, vibrant prints almost every time. Users will find it incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for spontaneous shots at parties, gatherings, or just everyday fun. The built-in selfie mirror and close-up mode are thoughtful additions, allowing for perfectly framed self-portraits and detailed close-ups without any fuss. What truly elevates this offering is the bundle with accessories. While the exact contents can vary, these bundles typically include essential items like a pack of instant film to get started right away, a stylish camera case that protects the device while adding to its aesthetic appeal, and often a mini photo album or frames to display those precious prints. These additions transform the camera from a standalone item into a complete creative kit, providing everything needed to dive straight into the world of instant photography and cherish the results. It's a fantastic value proposition, especially for those new to Instax or looking for a comprehensive gift. Ultimately, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 in pastel blue, especially as part of a bundle, offers an unparalleled experience for creating physical memories. It encourages a more mindful approach to photography, where each click results in a unique, shareable print. It's a fantastic tool for sparking joy, fostering connection, and adding a touch of retro charm to any event or personal collection. This camera bundle truly stands out as a delightful way to capture life's fleeting moments and turn them into lasting keepsakes.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.